Hello everyone, this is Mercenary, and today we're going to be doing some
All
more
8
party
people
animals
voted.
with Doom.
Oh my god.
Hey Doom.
Yeah.
So,
Are you gonna be that? Are you gonna be that fucking tiger skin?
Tiger skin. Tiger skin.
Up.
Boy.
Oh, I'd probably be the spaceman. Wait.
Oh boy, that is some serious lag.
You nom arms.
I'm lagging.
Stop lagging.
Oh, I just got into the game. What happened?
You got knocked out. That's what happened.
Yeah, I can see that now. On my screen, I was still waiting for the countdown timer to go off.
Oh my god, this man.
Yeah, Broken Arrow is actually pretty fun because its late game is actually like worthwhile seeing and not always a factor.
Get out of here. Oh god. Help. Help.
What can I do?
No.
All I can do is just throw bananas.
Oh, you're dead. Okay.
I thought we already went over this.
No, we didn't.
Did you not see my body get dragged over? Anyways, that's Om supremacy right there. You know what we gotta say to that.
No. Fuck the Om supremacy. It's cringe.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like, we gotta get rid of it. Also, did you die?
Yeah.
Just pick this up. Over.
Die.
Click. Oh, that is not grabbing anything for some unknown reason. God damn it.
There is a reason, you know. Oh damn! Double slip on banana.
Yeah, I'm just throwing bananas everywhere. Screw this. Oh.
Yeah, these guys are idiots, bro.
Banana time. Damn. What is that owl doing? Who do we want to win? Oh. Never mind.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the kitty.
Oh.
Are you fucking... How did I immediately die from that? Hey. My banana did not go where
May
I
I
wanted
get
it to
up,
go.
please?
No, you're getting shocked. What are these guys doing, man?
I don't know, but that guy
What
has
is
a nice
happening, man? Ask him.
Oh.
Golden shit, man. We gotta get the next point, man.
I'm just gonna go straight to my spot real quick after dealing with this MF.
No! Dude, your spot sucks. Don't.
Well, it
Your
doesn't
spot
matter
sucks
because
ass.
it doesn't matter because this guy held me and then headbutted me. Also, why are you dead?
Why are you dead?
Because I was held and headbutted to death. You?
I was knocked off.
By who?
Owl.
Ah.
I want to stay alive for like 2 seconds.
Yeah, sad thing I can't do that.
Fuck off.
Oh, those are cringe sticks. I didn't even realize.
Killed that.
Yo, dude, if you
Oh,
hurry
hello?
up, you can find some crap. Oh.
Alright, get out of here. I'm using cringe sticks now because these guys are very cringe now.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I have a grudge on blue now.
Okay.
Hi, blue. Bye, blue. Ow. No. No, don't. Oh my. I almost got frozen. Are you dead?
Yep.
Well, fuck. No, I'm dead. Plunger is not gonna do you any good, by the way.
Banana.
Oh, come on.
Dude, that guy's just a whole thing over there.
Please, don't swing him.
Just
Actually,
throw him
him.
off! Throw him off already! What are you doing?
Dude, these goofy goobers. Oh my.
What the
Okay.
hell?
I'll take it.
You know what? Sure. Why the flip not?
Why the fuck not? Why did you go the other?
Because I don't want to go anywhere near the blue guy.
I just threw a blue guy off alive, just to let you know. So.
Okay.
Alright, buddy. Oh my god, he's got a crossbow.
Damn, I didn't plunger him. Oh yeah, how do you wake up
Oh.
again?
You wake up.
No, like, how do you do that though?
You wake up. Easy.
Is there like a button for it?
No. Are you? No, this is not gonna end like this.
So, is it entirely based on RNG and whether or not I can wake up in time to actually save myself rather than it just being immediately eaten off? Because whenever I eat someone off, they somehow find a way to come back.
I think, for me, I just spam left click in space. Or I just
Yeah, I
spam all the
tried
buttons
that,
and
but I
using
just
buttons.
end up getting freaking screwed over that way. Like, I have an entire video on why flopping isn't a good idea. Well, not
Well, we're
the-
on Broken... Well, we chose Broken Arrow, so...
Everyone was picking Broken Arrow, remember?
Oh my god. Okay, do
Oh.
safety of float.
Yeah,
Safety
might
of
as well.
float.
Jesus Christ, what is this?
I need an achievement for this. See what I mean when you get all team score maps that just...
No, like, listen. Lollipop Factory and Fluffy Redemption aren't that bad. Team scores...
They're not... Well, they're still bad, but they're good compared to the other team scores.
What do you mean?
Right?
They're good.
No, they're just plain bad as well. Team score is not the best place to be at, okay? And it's the best place to be at. In Party Animals.
Man.
Last Stand. Hog. Oh! Someone is a knight? Wanna be knights, buddy?
He's just picking a Nemo skin just for the sake of being a Nemo with us.
I guess I'll just be a knight then. Heart? Heart.
I guess it's Nemo time.
It's Nemo time.
Hell yeah.
Marlin, I've already been found. Go. Yes!
I face planted into the fucking stone. Yo, you got that?
No! Because bro thinks he can clutch. Ah! I need some help! Don't stand there. Help me.
What do you mean stand there?
Flying.
I'm gonna drag
I'm
this.
flying.
Pick up with both hands, Nemo. God damn it.
Nemo.
I wonder if they're gonna add like a blue character just named Dory. Just for the sake of it. I mean, I know, like, you know.
Might as well add an orange, another Nemo called Marlin in that same thing.
Well, then they'll just add a marlin fish to the game. Oh, god damn it!
Don't hold on to me.
I was jumping to the vault.
Ah, bro. Can you like do something instead of
not-
knocking your own teammates out?
I aimed for the wrong person, damn.
Wait a
And
second.
Kimberly knocked me out instead of Kimberly.
Hey, hold on.
Move!
What the hell?
Drag! Okay. Go, please. I distracted them
got
long
you,
enough,
don't-
please.
I got you, don't worry.
Dude, you're weighing it down. Oh, never mind, the guy let go.
I got you, don't worry. Yippee!
I can't
You
get
got
up!
it.
Let me up!
I got a box.
Nice.
I got a
And
box.
what's the box meant to do?
I'll show you. Okay, I guess you just
Okay.
killed yourself.
What do you mean? I'm still alive.
Oh, you're alive. Okay.
You stupid. Oh, I can't jump kick anymore. What is this game? Like, I swear for some reason it's been a lot harder to actually drop kick now. What's the deal?
Space, left click. Simple.
Yes, that's what I'm doing, yet for some reason it never registers.
You never registered.
Yo, Doom, grab the vault. I got the cat.
Yo, get the cat, please.
Got him.
What are you
Now
did?
I got the cat.
What the?
I got the cat.
I don't know. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, give me a sec.
Ah! Ah! Now we drag it this way.
I got you. Don't
Dude, you're just gonna
worry.
weigh it down. Stop it. Why do you keep doing this? Motherfucker, you screwed us over.
No, we're doing fine.
Okay, yeah, now we're doing fine since you let go, but what the hell is your plan? Also, is the vault getting wrecked?
Can you?
Okay, there we go. Okay, please don't punch me, I am also Nemo. I said please don't punch me, I am also a Nemo.
You got it. You got it. Just come over. You're good. I got you. Don't worry.
You know that one meme where it shows just Iron Man screaming while in this suit? Who the?
I'm pulling the
I'm
sky.
punching. Why isn't it freaking? How's
Dude,
Gunner
don't
not
let
been
them make a comeback. Don't make them make a don't let them come back, please. You gotta do this. You gotta let the vault go up.
That's what
and
I
you
was
win.
doing. The otter was just dragging the vault away. The same thing I'm doing to this Hyperblaze 10. Fly me to the moon.
Hey, bro.
Man, freaking otters.
Hi.
freaking otters, man.
The otters are they're just otters, bro. Just let them otter.
And our teammate's just got his legs up in the air. Just face plant like a fucking cartoon that
Bro.
fell over.
Bro, they just love each otter. Okay? Castleweed. Castleweed, not Broken Arrow. Castleweed. Are you fucking... I don't want airplane. I like towers and I don't like airplanes.
But they go together so well. What do you mean?
No, they don't. But you know what's wild? You know what's crazy though? Someone made a Flappy Bird game based on 9/11.
Hey, Doom, look around real quick.
Oh!
Oh!
You know what? I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Kill the dickheads who don't want the achievement.
Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. In order to survive, I'm gonna move over here. I'm gonna walk onto this pole here.
What the?
This is
Yeah, what are you gonna do after that?
sit here. Duh.
Wait, can you hold on to it for safety?
You can, but the legs lock on. Don't worry, you can just climb. Like, Doom, get this. You see my little duck feet? They are locked onto the pole itself. Meaning when the ship starts to move. Oh shit.
No! No! You dick!
I'm holding onto the pole. Please tell me someone else is like on the other pole or some crap, right? Oh shit, I wasn't paying attention.
Did you fall off?
I was not paying attention.
Yeah,
I forgot to hold on for a bit.
Alright, I'm gonna insta kill the underbite real quick. This butthole. He doesn't deserve the achievement. Yo, chill, man.
Join me.
Yo,
watch out. That one has ice.
Oh! It's frozen. What the fuck?
Okay, this time hopefully I did it right, and I should be just sliding back rather than, or the plane just stays this way.
Saboteur! Aw.
Hey,
I missed the saboteur.
hey, dude. You wanna know what's funny though? The spot I'm in right now, not even the spectators can see me.
I literally can't see you either.
Yeah. So the only way to get me is either kamikaze or a projectile.
I understand. Survive. Kills himself.
No, did he die? Oh,
Oh, no!
The shovel wants. Nope, the
He
shovel's
just
gone.
said, bro said playtime and started. You know what? Get out of here. Kill the cat.
The cat. I mean, what did the cat do?
Yep. They died.
See, Broken Arrow is also pretty fun because there's usually friendly people who want the achievement so damn badly. Even though that I got it via just like actually playing the game rather. Oh, someone died.
What? Okay. I'm on the underbite, bro.
Don't worry, I got you real quick. Shit.
No! No!
No.
Bro wants revenge.
Kill yellow, no exceptions. He's got nunchucks! Fuck them! Dude, get your ass on the other side. There's a freaking yellow duck with nunchucks. Oh, the cat has them now. Nice. Yo.
No! Help! Help!
Yo, knock him out real quick.
I just have to. Come
yeah, someone.
on.
The underbite threw a bomb at you.
Thank you.
Uh,
Hi, yellow. Hi, yellow.
perhaps I can.
Cringe sticks.
Oh, yeah. I'm on viewpoint 3, sending as many bananas as I possibly can.
Yeah, you want some? You want some? You get some, motherfucker.
Oh god.
Woo!
Yo, I think you can. No, wait.
Oh!
Piss.
Oh, come on. And you're gonna let him live for killing me?
Oh!
You.
Shit! I
Yo,
banana
did you throw the
slid.
banana?
Yeah, I threw the banana.
That was the combo.
The
Combo.
combo.
Wombo combo. I want to get the achievement too.
Oh. Hey, dude, if you want the achievement, join me on the poll.
Oh no, the cat.
No!
Oh my god! Alright, kill yellow, kill yellow.
Yeah.
Murder. Alright, I'll get on this pole.
Oh.
It's scary. No! How do you do it? How the heck? How the hell do you?
You just walk on the pole. I don't know what to tell you.
No, you just fall off.
No, no. I'm literally just walking onto the pole. Oh shit. No! Wait, what? That ain't right.
Did they throw the racket at you?
Oh no!
Alright,
Cringe sticks, cringe sticks, cringe sticks, cringe sticks, cringe sticks.
A cringe stick. Anyone who tries to kill me.
Invisible duck detected. Oh, never mind. It's this guy who's killer. Oh, this MF's gonna die now.
You're not gonna make a comeback, buddy. Fuck off.
Okay, you know, I'm gonna try this poll. Just to show people what it is.
How the fuck?
Okay, so here's the thing. You want to get on it early before the ice is on. So, yeah.
Heart. Oh, they're having a cuddle party. Oh god, there's a banana.
Damn, I can't see it. Because I'm on the pole.
Imagine if they report us for teaming.
No one ever does that. Okay, I see the pink cat, Zenitsu. Okay, yeah, currently locked on to position. I cannot fall off now. Let's go. Well, I'm not sure if people can actually see me on this pole, though, so that's gonna be an issue.
You can see people on one pole, but you can't see them on the other. I checked.
Oh god, they can. Okay, so they can actually see me. Damn. That's a.
There's a
bit of
chance that
problem.
they might see you, yeah. And then, but remember, the fish go completely opposite directions than you want them to in this map. So
Yeah, I remember doing that. Oh, I see you guys now. Hi.
hi.
Oh yeah, they know. They saw. They know. They know. I got fished. They know.
No! Did
got
I do it? Did I do it?
You have to. Oh god. You know.
Did I do it?
You know what the worst part is? You don't get the achievement until after the game's over, so you don't know until long after.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
Hi, Yellow.
Oh boy. Hey, join me. Join me.
On the pole. Hopefully it's not frozen or anything.
Join us. Join us.
I'm not sure I can.
Oh, he's trying to drag him off. Oh shit.
Oh, no!
Shit. Oh shit. No, I think. Wait. Yo, I think you could try to walk on. Maybe. Yay!
I did it! Yes! Let's go! I'll be. And wanna know what the funniest part is, Merce?
What?
I'm so scared to press any button